If you're feeling under the weather with a cough and cold, there are some natural remedies that may help you feel better. First up, ginger root and honey. Ginger has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments, including coughs and colds. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe sore throats and reduce congestion. Honey is also great for soothing a sore throat. Another classic remedy for coughs and colds is chicken soup. It's packed with nutrients that can help boost your immune system and fight off infections. So next time you're feeling sick, try one of these natural remedies to help you feel better. And don't forget to rest and stay hydrated.